Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove existing profile from Microsoft Outlook. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Mail. Click Show Profiles. Click Remove. Click Yes to continue. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.